Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 7, that is getting to know plants. In this chapter, we had already discussed about the different types of plants present in our surrounding, that is herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers, and the different parts of the tree, under which we had already discussed about roots and stem of a plant and their modification also. Now today we are going to discuss about the leaf and its different parts, different functions, and its modification also we will discuss. But today we are going to discuss about the leaf. So first of all, uh, it is our way of learning that if you want to understand something, you have to go and observe it in nature. So you have to go in your garden, or in the kitchen garden, or in the nature, and see the different types of plants and see their leaves. You will find the leaves are of different shapes, sizes, and colors. People tree leaf, banyan leaf, tamarind leaf, neem leaf, and several types of other leaves are present in our surrounding. If we observe, some are round, some are oval, some are long, like banana leaf. So these are the leaves we found in our nature. So after observing this, we have to understand the different parts of the leaf. We have to understand the different parts of the leaf. The part of the leaf by which it is connected with the stem. The part of the leaf by which it is connected with the stem or attached with the stem, it is called petiole. It is called a petiole. Petiole is that part of the leaf by which it is attached with the stem. Then a point of attachment to the stem. A point of attachment to the stem called the leaf base. So petiole is that part by which it is leaf is attached with the stem, and that point is called that attachment point of attachment is called the leaf base. So petiole and leaf base. Now comes the broad green part of the leaf, and this is called lamina. That is a flat green leaf blade. A flat green leaf blade is called lamina. That is called the lamina. Okay. And now uh, the petiole grows in a long shape, and it forms the midrib of the leaf. It forms the midrib of the leaf. To understand the midrib of the leaf, we can perform an activity. That is activity 3. In this activity, what we need to do, we need to take a leaf and put it under a white piece of paper, and then take your pencil and 45-degree angle. Take your pencil like this, and then rub it like this. So when you rub it, you will find an impression on the white piece of paper. You will find an impression on the white piece of paper. So the lines on the leaf are called veins. The lines on the leaf are called veins. The lines on the leaf are called veins. And you will find then the petiole will elongated in the middle of the leaf. The petiole, that part by which leaf is attached to the stem, that is elongated and formed in the midrib. That is the prominent line in the middle, prominent line in the middle of the leaf, that is called the midrib. That is called the midrib. And from midrib, several lines or veins are spread in the leaf, and this is called side veins. This is called a side vein, and the design made by these veins are called venation. The design made by these leaves are called, these veins are called venation, and the function of the veins is to transport water and minerals and to transport the prepared food back to the stem. So this is what a small leaf is. Now the leaf is two types: simple leaf and compound leaves. The leaf is of two types, simple leaf and compound leaf. So simple leaf, like if you take the leaf of a rose, if you take the leaf of a rose, it is a simple leaf because one leaflet is there. Banyan, simple leaf. People, simple leaf. But if you take the leaf of tamarind, leaf of if you take the leaf of tamarind or chuimui or neem or gulmohar, you will find there are several leaf blades. There are several leaf blades. So these leaves are called compound leaf. These leaves are called compound leaf. So simple, if there are several leaflets are there in a leaf, it is called compound leaf. If there is one single leaflet is there, it is called a simple leaf. So class, I hope you are able to understand these different parts of leaf, that is lamina, leaf base, petiole, midrib, side veins, simple leaf, compound leaf. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.